Thinking of self-publishing your book? Wait, before you hit publish, first you need to decide DIY or assisted self-publishing. One gives you complete control, the other offers expert support. So which one is right for you? In today's episode of Demystifying Self-Publishing, we are going to be covering the pros, the cons, the key differences, and which one fits your goals best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more indie author tips. Let's get into it. Before we can decide which route to take, we need to have a clear understanding of each option. So what is DIY self-publishing? By definition, you DIY, do it yourself. Or you have the option of hiring your own freelancers individually. Formatting, editors, cover design, uploading to Amazon KDP, marketing, all of that falls to you. There is no third-party company that guides you or manages the process for you. The pros, you retain full royalties, have total creative control, have the freedom to hire whoever you want, and are able to learn new skills and experiences. On the other hand, some of the cons include the fact that it's time-consuming, has a steep learning curve, especially if you're not super tech savvy. You're responsible for hiring out and finding the quality designers, marketers, and editors, and there's a higher chance of making amateur mistakes. Think of DIY publishing as building your own house. You design it, you pick the materials, and you might even lay the bricks. So what's assisted self-publishing? Assisted self-publishing is where you hire a company like Tellwell to guide or handle parts of the publishing process for you. The pros of this option are that you receive professional guidance and quality control. There's less technical work for you. It saves time and stress. You can publish quickly. You still retain high royalties, and you still possess full creative control. On the other hand, some cons to consider. The upfront costs can be high, and there's always a risk of scammy companies. Assisted self-publishing is like hiring a builder for your home. You still own it, you get to pick out all of the fine details and finishings, but they manage the heavy lifting and execution. If you love being hands-on and don't mind learning new skills, DIY might be your path. But if you'd rather focus on writing and outsource the rest, assisted self-publishing could save you a lot of headaches. So which option should you choose? Ask yourself the following questions. Do I have time to learn and manage the publishing process? Do I want to retain full creative control? Am I comfortable hiring freelancers? Or would I rather pay to have experts guide the way? Oftentimes, indie authors make the mistake of not vetting their assisted self-publishing companies before agreeing to work with them. Be sure to do your due diligence before entering into any contract, and that includes when hiring freelancers if you're going the DIY route. Self-publishing gives you power, but with power comes, well, a lot of decision-making. Whether you go DIY or assisted self-publishing, just remember your book deserves to be seen. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and be sure to download our free guide to self-publishing in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.